Back again with another video, guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to code for a program which converts any number like this into the hexadecimal. Okay, this is my decimal number. I want to convert this into hexadecimal number, and the concept is going to be the same as the last one, and there is no other kind of explanation required in it, so I'm going to go into my video. So I'm going to define my variable number, set it equal to a float, a function float, because anything less than 1 and happens to be in fraction. So I'm going to call it float function. I'm going to define an input where the user is going to enter the number, and there we go. This is my number where the user is going to type in. I'm going to define a list, goes by the name hexadecimal. Okay, hexadecimal, set it equal to empty list. And the next thing, oh wait a second, I forgot it. Oops. Okay, now that's correct. Moving on to, I'm going to define a loop for the variable number not equal to. The concept is going to be same irrespective of you do it in octal, hexadecimal, binary. The concept is going to be same. Okay, this is how we should approach. And now I'm going to define, in this loop I'm going to define a variable mag, or you can choose whatever variable you like. You define your variable as follows. What you have to do is you're gonna have to multiply the number by 16. What it's gonna do is give us the multiplied value, right? And then I'm gonna define in this loop if statement, if mag greater or equal to 1 and mag not equal to 0. And the last thing, I'm gonna not and end less than 2. That's it for this statement. I'm gonna modify my mag as follows. I'm gonna set it equal to I'm gonna set the mag equal to number, and for the sake of writing the code, what I'm going to do is going to define another variable called x, so that's easier to type. Hexadecimal. Okay, that's going to be my variable because I don't want to write hexadecimal like so. What I'm going to do, x dot insert the index 0. I'm going to insert 1. Okay, and now I'm going to define in this while loop the same loop else if statement. Okay, else if statement, if mag happens to be greater or equal to 2 and mag less than is less than 3, then what I'm going to do with the number is I'm going to modify my mag as follows. I'm going to subtract 2 from the number, and I'm going to set my number equal to mag. Then what I'm going to do is insert at the index 0. What I'm going to insert is 2. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. And since I have done it already, I don't want to type a whole lot, so I'm gonna just copy and paste same thing which I have done earlier, and I hope it makes sense at this far. So in order to understand the concept, you guys have to go through the videos. Okay, I'm gonna explain that in a few seconds. Wait, hold on. Okay, So I'm just checking if it's correct or not. Okay, it's correct. Then the next thing, what I'm gonna do is going to define my another variable called meg, or anything, any variable which you call it. Since I have used meg in this playlist, then I'm gonna use this variable. You can choose, you get to pick whatever you want. Okay, there is no uh you know there's no restriction. Wait, hold on. And this is my list. No, I call it hexadecimal. Oops, I did a mistake. Now it's correct. Now what I'm gonna do is going to print this thing. I'm gonna do double F formatted. I'm gonna insert my variable meg dynamically, and your number is 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 what? It's gonna be meg. Sorry, oops, I did a mistake. Let me cross check once more. Yes, not showing error. Okay, I'm good to go. Let's see what happens. What if I type in 0 in decimal? I'm gonna type 0.0625. Let's see what happens. It must give me 0.1. Okay, you can use append method or whatever. Okay, 0.1 you can put in here. Okay, you're good to go. Okay, 0.1, because 1 by 16 equals 0.0625. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to type in any random number like this. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's my hexadecimal value in points. Okay, that is gonna be 0.C843 and blah 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 blah. You get it. You get what I'm saying, right? Okay, that's how you should approach. And this is the same concept as we have used earlier. There's no voodoo magic or something like that we have invented out of nowhere. And so if you guys didn't understand the concept, just give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, if you understood, and let me know if you have any doubts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.